पृथ्वी शॉ फेम और पैसा संभाल नहीं पाया। पार्ट 1 में हमने देखा कि पृथ्वी शॉ के कोच ने उसको इंडियन क्रिकेट का अगला विनोद कांबली तक बोल दिया। यू नो व्हाट आई थिंक, जब किसी को बहुत यंग एज में सक्सेस मिल जाती है, उनके दिमाग में एक स्विच ऑन हो जाता है एंड देन उनको हर चीज में एक्सेल करना होता है। गर्लफ्रेंड्स, कार्स, घर, parties, social life, attention, validation. This is proven with research. Early fame rewires your brain. It is almost like 10 साल के एक बच्चे को कोकेन स्नॉट करवा देना। इस देश में जहाँ क्रिकेट को एक रिलीजन माना जाता है, वो पूरा देश तुम्हारे 14 साल की उम्र में तुमको अपना अगला सचिन मानता हो। That is not an easy thing to digest. None of us know what the pressure of that thing means. I call it the success curse. For all the people who want to become big and successful in life, let me tell you this. You are never gonna be able to enjoy that success. You won a match? Great. Have a beer and show up for practice the next day. And keep repeating this loop for life, else you'll be thrown out. What do you think Ambani is doing? आपको क्या लगता है, वो घर पे बैठ के ये सोच रहा होगा कि वाह, मैं अंबानी हूँ, मैं तो कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ। एक सेकंड के भी मजे नहीं करता होगा वो। Because when he does that, वो अपना सारा मोमेंटम खो देगा and that's it, he'll be out. Success can only be enjoyed from the outside. Once you are in it, it will all be so fast that you will not be able to enjoy a bit of it. And if you do want to enjoy, the only choice you have is to step out of it. And that is what happened to Prithvi Shaw according to me. Prithvi, I love you, man. You might be the lowest paid guy in this IPL season, but I want to see you perform better than the highest paid ones. जितने भी cricketing fans इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं, comment below and tag Prithvi Shaw. I want him to know exactly the number of people who are desperately waiting for him to come back in form. If he does, he will give hopes to the millions of people in India. If he doesn't, it'll be the biggest disappointment of this generation.